All right, let's get to a mad dash here. We've got 7 minutes before we get started with trading on this Thursday. Short week, sometimes kind of forget which day it is. Want to talk a little Starbucks?
Yeah, and I do want to say just during the commercial, we have so much to talk about. It's so strange. It's just a Thursday in late spring, but I guess mid-spring. All right, so this morning, TD Cowen, which division of TD Securities, downgraded Starbucks, buy to hold, a latte moving pieces. All right, so what it's saying basically is that they're going to miss same-store sales, and the consensus is too high. I will say this about Brian Niccol. Bet against Brian Niccol, and what am I going to send you? An invitation to your funeral.
Right.
Brian Niccol is one of the foremost turnaround artists in the. He turned around Chipotle at the worst, darkest possible moment. He is very confident that the turn is for real. And I think if you want to sell this now, I don't know. Well, you can sell it here and buy it back here.
You put a lot of stock in the power of CEOs to.
I sure do.
Turn
Bracken
things
Darragh
around.
bought $1 million worth of VF
I can
Corp
think as
yesterday.
well of another turnaround, UNH, and you're very encouraged by the guy they brought back
The
there.
guy's a hitter. That stock doesn't go, but see that stock, the way it hugs 300? You don't think he has something up his sleeve?
No, I'm just saying it's interesting because
this one's coming up aces.
You believe that they can overcome, even if there are
there's
issues that seemingly are intransigent or difficult to overcome.
Turnaround artists. Bracken Darragh turned around Logitech. Now he's doing VF Corp. Just bought $1 million worth of stock. Brian Niccol is a guy who's a seasoned turnaround person who started with infrastructure. See, he started with the idea that we've got to get the coffee to you in 4 minutes, and now is working backward. I think it's brilliant. Will it all come around perfectly? China's done a little better than people realize. What people should say is, you know what? I can't be so good as to sell it at 85 and buy it at 80. We'll talk about Salesforce soon. I think very similar.
Okay. Yeah, we will talk about Salesforce, of course, reporting earnings last night. Mark Benioff was a guest on Mad Money as well. And don't forget, by the way, you can catch us anytime and anywhere by listening to and following the Squawk on the Street Opening Bell podcast. Speaking of an opening bell, 5 minutes from now, stay with us.